Safeco Insurance Estimate. How to get an accurate quote. Getting a Safeco Insurance estimate helps you understand how much you'll pay based on your driving history, vehicle, coverage needs, and discounts. The estimate can vary depending on several factors, so knowing what influences your quote ensures you get the most accurate price. 1. How to get a Safeco Insurance estimate. Step 1. Visit Safeco's website or contact an agent. Step 2. Provide your personal details, vehicle information, and driving history. Step 3. Select coverage options including liability, collision, and comprehensive. Step 4. Apply available discounts to lower the estimated premium. Step 5. Compare the estimate with other insurers to find the best rate. 2. Factors that affect your estimate. Driving record. Clean records get lower rates while accidents or tickets increase costs. Vehicle type. Newer, safer cars often qualify for lower rates. Coverage levels. Higher liability and full coverage plans increase the estimate. Location. Urban areas typically have higher rates than rural areas. Credit score. In some states, better credit scores result in lower premiums. 3. Coverage options that impact price. Minimum coverage. State-required liability insurance gives the lowest estimate. Full coverage includes liability, collision, and comprehensive, but costs more. Add-ons. Roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, and accident forgiveness increase the total price. 4. Discounts that lower your estimate. Safe driver, discount right track telematics. Savings, multi-car and multi-policy discounts. Good student discount for teens, low mileage discount 5. How Safeco estimates compare to other insurers. Safeco is usually cheaper than Allstate or Farmers, but may not be as low as Geico or Progressive. It offers competitive rates for bundling auto and home insurance. Safe drivers often get better rates through Safeco's Right Track program. 6. Adjusting your estimate for a better rate. Raise your deductible to lower monthly costs. Remove unnecessary add-ons if you don't need extra features. Check for additional discounts that apply to your situation. 7. When to lock in your estimate. Insurance estimates can change based on market conditions, driving record updates, or policy changes. If you find a good rate, it's best to lock it in before it increases. Safeco provides competitive estimates, but comparing multiple quotes ensures you get the best deal. Adjusting your coverage and applying discounts can help lower your overall premium. Click on the link in the description below to find out if you're paying too much for insurance.